So now I finally figured out what the cruise control is and the assisted driving. It's quite an easy button to change between the modes. Now you see I have, it's checking the side, the lane, and it's checking the front, and also it steers because the steering wheel is green. If I now want to disable, come on, if I want to disable autonomous driving, sorry I missed, as I said, fully autonomous now. If I want to disable that, I just push this mode, which is basically a mode between cruise control and active cruise control and autonomous driving. So now I only have cruise control with active cruise control, but for some reason it's not. Oh yeah, push set. So now it's active cruise control. Limit is set at 80. Sometimes I have a problem in making the speed limit set. Yeah, I guess I'm not fully knowledgeable about non-autonomous driving yet. Getting passed by trucks left and right. I'm 90 set, but for some reason it doesn't stick at 80. Now it finally stuck. Okay, I pushed the middle button. Okay. So now it's cruise control at 80 finally. And so now I basically just have a cruise control that measures the distance in front, and it will warn if I do a lane change in the steering wheel. But I want full autonomous, so assisted driving mode. So now I just push that button and it went into active. The tip was having a knee here, which makes the steering wheel green all the time. And one thing that I thought was funny was when you push the navi, when you want to put in your destination, and then a keyboard came up when you so that's funny when you like approach the display, a keyboard comes up. That's funny. Don't have the iDrive thing. It's funny, once I have the knee on the steering wheel, it's you can just drive really long without the hands on the steering wheel. And you kind of forget that it's a touchscreen as well, but it is. You can pinch and zoom as well. Which is nice. Sit over there, nice. So this is fun, it's like next upcoming speed limit 50. I don't like the motorized steering wheel when it points where you should go, etc. It's like no, I want non-obtrusive S4, non-obtrusive or a steering wheel. Anyway, here full autonomous steering. So really good car for long drives with low consumption and not doing anything bad with the car, like speed